Welcome in this quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how to play GTA 5 online. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now first up, open up Grand Theft Auto 5 via Steam, Epic Games, or on your consoles. Just go out and find the game and then click on it. Should it be Legacy or Enhanced? It doesn't matter. Just click on Play. Now the Rockstar Games launcher will open, so just go ahead and click on Continue, Accept right here, hit on Continue, and then you can go ahead and add a desktop shortcut for the Rockstar Games launcher. So just click on Continue, and then once done, click on Close, and then again, just wait for the game to open. So it says here, connecting to Rockstar Games website. So you need to verify that you own the specific account. So I'm going to go ahead and write down the code that was sent to my email right here. Hit on Submit, and then enable Cloud Saves. You'll also have to install BattlEye. This is a anti-cheat system from Grand Theft Auto, or for all of Rockstar games. So as you can see here, the initial process will take some time, but don't worry about it. You don't have to do it again. And when you go ahead and open up the game next time, it will just automatically pop out your Grand Theft Auto 5. So as you can see here, the game is now loading. So click on Allow right here, as there will be a pop-up. So as you can see here, we will be greeted with GTA Online. Click on Skip. And then if this is your first time logging into GTA 5, you won't be able to see Online right here. You'll have to go to Story and then finish the initial single-player story mission with Franklin or Michael to unlock online access. And when you've unlocked it, just leave the game, reopen it, and then go ahead over to online right here. So just click on it. And as you can see, we are now entering the online mode. And there you go. Now, another example, let's say you went over online right here. And then you would go ahead and click on Quit to Story Mode. All right, click on Select. Okay, you could go ahead and do that vice versa, from story mode to online mode as well. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and show you right here real quick. You can just basically press Escape on your keyboard or back and click on Game. You can quit right here and log in online manually, or you could just go ahead and just straight up go to online, join friends, join crew members, or play GTA Online. Make sure that it is selected and click on Select. Go. Quit. Okay. And then just wait a bit. All right. As you can see here, it says joining GTA Online. All right. So that is how you play GTA 5 online. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.